Hey, welcome back to my channel. So, today I decided to revisit a little something from the past, and I decided to try a different color of the hair paint wax. So, the last video that I posted using this, I did the purple color, and I wanted something bright. But this time I was like, let me try something that I can wear to work. So, what I did was I started out on freshly shampooed and deep conditioned hair. I applied some cocoa cream, detangled it, and then I just started applying the wax. Now, what I love about this wax is that it covers your hair with hardly any product, but what I did not like about this color is I just felt like it didn't complement my skin tone. It was more of like a yellow gold type color, and I just felt like with me, it just didn't look right because it kind of looked like it looked like hair paint wax. Versus when I used the purple, it looked like I dyed my hair. So I just really wasn't feeling the color on my skin, but I did like the product still. I had no issue with that. I do like the definition that it gave me in the end. But yeah, still experienced a lot of shrinkage. And I really just didn't like the way the color looked on me. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys see what it looked like so you can experience me with this fail. But that's okay. I rocked it. I wore it for about a day. And then I was like, and wash it out. But y'all, thank y'all for watching. And I will see you on my next video. So just make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn that bell on for notifications. And I will see you soon.